Here we go to the wildness of Bosnia. Now jump! Jump! That was tricky, very tricky, because it is very, very... Feel me. Oh, that was tricky. Now. Ooh, this is inače snow, you know, snow. Ooh, fuck. Opa! It is very slippery. Here are a lot of houses in our woods. That's how you live in Bosnia. Here is wolf, domestic animal. What the fuck did I just say? Oh. Go down! Ooh, Bosniano. Like a steel motherfucking... Holy shit. Oh. Wow. This is inače Bosnia. A very awesome place. But if you have money, and if you don't have money, yeah, it's still awesome. Come on, look. Evo, step aside. Wait. It's very hard to walk. Very hard. Down here. It's sweet. Look at this. Like Zagorjeva Sava. It's Bosnia, Sibica. It's very hurt. It's very... You don't listen to your mother. She says Sibica, and she put on your ass. And that is how you roll in Bosnia. Well, give me, I want to shoot a little bit. You can talk. Begin. No, wait, don't stop it. Oh, okay, here we go again. But now my fellow speak. We are going now to see. What potok? Who's potok? Pačka. Isn't it Pachkin? Yes, but English is Pačka. I don't English. I know English. We have